seen you before. I recognize them dark green eyes when you nosy-doed across the floor. Are you alone or are you with someone? She said, a matter of fact, I'm not. So I took her hand, that's when it all began, and we headed towards the parking lot. And she said, hey boy, do you mind taking me home tonight? 'Cause I ain't never seen a country boy with tires on his truck this high.